What's good, YouTube? Hey, look. Today I'm chilling back, man. I'm really chilling. You know? Yeah. I see them blues, man. Stop playing. Oh my God, it's getting so hot. Hey, look, y'all. Today I'm showing y'all how to make y'all page strong, y'all CPN strong, so y'all can, you know what I'm saying, get approved for credit, get a car loan, get a mortgage. Look, first thing first, patience. You gotta have that mindset like, alright, it's a waiting game. Some people waited 2 months, 3 months without touching their CPN. You know what I'm saying? It's patience, y'all. Patience is the fucking key. Don't forget that, motherfuckers. But look though, second thing, you gotta learn how to make your CPN the right way. Remember I told you, patience is the key. So once you make it, bam, you try to merge it. You can know, matter of fact, once you make it, let me get y'all as the raw. Once you're making this shit right, first thing is patience. Second thing is to create your social. How you create that? Oh, that's free sauce though. How you do that? Bleep 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 boop beep bloop bleep. It's not free sauce. You gotta pay for online training if you wanna know everything. You know what I'm saying? You already watched my video. So look. So that's your reward. So once you find your social, cool. You're gonna make up the address, create the woo bleep 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 bleep. Then what you going to do next? Come up with your salary, how long you worked up, but you don't want to put 10 years, 15, hell no, put 6 years and 5 months, or 5 months to 5 months, give me years, you know what I'm saying, or shit like that. Once you do that, merge it together, merge everything together. After you merge everything, right, well, you don't merge it together, matter of fact, once you do that, right, you create your salary and stuff, self-employed, you know what I'm saying, you do all that, how long you been living at your residence, same thing, 6 years and 5 months, you know what I'm saying. After you do that, you're going to try merge it on 3 applications. You're going to leave that 3 alone for the rest of the day. You ain't going to touch it no more. You're not even going to list your, you know what I'm saying, your profile up there yet. You ain't going to put your profile into public records yet, you know what I'm saying. So after you do that, the very next day, try merge with 3 more applications. Let that shit sit. It takes 3 days to make a CPN. The next day, put into public records. Yes. Third day. Yes. It's that simple. Now, look, after the 3rd day, some of y'all will fuck this. I'm finna see did it work. Don't touch it. Leave that shit alone. Touch that shit after the 1st week or something. So say if today Monday, right? You ain't gonna touch it until next Monday. With that whole 7 days, you know what I'm saying? Then sign up for it. But your CPN numbers gotta match up to the first 3 gotta match up with your city. The second 2, you gotta match up with your age. Your ass can't be 85 on your social and your ass really 20. Red flag. Bing, you know what I'm saying? Bing, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna work. Now after that, you waited a week, you're gonna log into Credit Karma. Log out. Don't apply for nothing. Log out. You're gonna wait 1 more week. You ain't gonna log into Credit Karma to the next week. Put a Tradeline on there. Put a primary on there first. And put a AU. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want y'all AUs, hit me up. I got 6 AUs left. All good. I got really all Navy Federal, Chase. I really got them. They good too. I got Credit Union, Capital One. I got all of them, so hit me up. And I got primaries. Really, I got more primaries than everything. I got mortgage, rentals. I got all that for sure. Hit me up though. Y'all gotta hit me up. Hit me up. After that, you gonna let that shit sit a whole month without touching it. keep putting primaries on us. Just put 2 AUs on the rest primaries. Then after that, don't touch it. Really, if you're in a rush, you can go ahead and do you know what I'm saying? But if y'all want something big like loans and shit, or maybe some real guap, let that shit sit. Let it sit for like 3-4 months. Then go play with it. And when you get the gnat the first time, don't keep applying. Just leave that shit alone. Apply again next week. We'll put another primary on them. You get what I'm saying? That means you doing something wrong. You gotta freak that bitch, man. That's how you gonna get into care credit. That's how you gonna get into that car loan, dealership. That's how you gonna get all 4 phones for free if you pay attention. But a lot of y'all don't want to pay attention. So yeah, that's how you get it, man. I got the AUs busting. If you want to learn how to make a CPN, hit me up. I got my one-on-one classes coming in. If you want a CPN made, hit me up. Hit me up, man. Hit me up. I got you. If you need primaries, AUs, installment loans, hit me up, man. Trust me. Hit me up.